Breastfeeding is a quiet moment of connection between a mother and her baby. In the early hours of the day, a mother's milk provides warmth, comfort, and essential nutrients. Every drop is designed to protect the baby from illness while helping them grow strong and healthy. Breastfeeding is not just feeding, it is love, care, and security in its purest form. 2. Educational health script. Breast milk is the most complete food for infants during the first 6 months of life. It contains antibodies that protect babies from infections such as diarrhea and pneumonia. Breastfeeding also supports brain development and reduces the risk of chronic diseases later in life. Health experts worldwide recommend exclusive breastfeeding for the best start in life. Emotional bond script. When a mother breastfeeds, she creates a deep emotional bond with her baby. The baby feels safe, loved, and comforted by their mother's touch and heartbeat. This close contact builds trust and emotional security, helping the child grow with confidence and calmness. 4. Community awareness script. Breastfeeding is a shared responsibility.